Hello, good morning to you all. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll try to fix if on your AdSense account, it is saying like ads.txt is missing. So this pop-up appears if your website don't have this ads.txt file. So in order to fix this, you need to click on this fix this now. So this will open the list of websites where ads.txt is missing. And this is the website which don't have ads.txt. So I'll open this, and first of all, before doing anything, I'll just test whether really my website don't have ads.txt. Okay, I just searched as txtmissing/ads.txt, and see here 404, the page is not available. That's the reason I'm getting this issue. So how can I solve this? Ads.txt not found. Okay, I'll just scroll down a bit, and this is my ads.txt file. So I need to copy this. I need to just paste it on a notepad file, and I'll just save it as ads. Okay, ads is fine, txt is the file name. So first I'll save it to desktop. Okay, now I'll try to upload it to my website. See, I'll show you how you can upload it. It is very easy. I took hosting from GoDaddy. So what you can do is just sign in to your hosting provider. That may be GoDaddy, Hostinger, or whatever it may be. So you need to open the cPanel. So for me, on my hosting plan, I'll click on cPanel admin, where I'll be logged into cPanel admin, and here I'll just choose file manager, because this is where all my website files will be available under public_html. See this one, public_html. So here I'll upload the file. So what I'll do is I'll just click on upload here. So what I'll upload the txt file or the notepad file what I have just created on my desktop. So I'll select this so that I can choose ads.txt from my desktop, this one. Okay, I'll click this. So as soon as I do this, yeah, I'll go back here. So ads.txt is available. Now I'll just checking for the update. Ads.txt is found. Good news, we have found your publisher ID in the ads.txt. Click on OK. This is how simple you can fix this issue, so that this pop-up will be removed. This pop-up will be fixed. So if you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like and share it to others. And if you like this video, that would really help me. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.